Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Now we're going unboxing Pop Mart.
First, what are you going to open first? Anya or Star Wars? First is Star Wars.
So I got police.
Oh. Oh, get the card.
Bro,
I got R2-D2.
I got R2-D2. I got R2-D2. Look.
Ah, you got
Nice.
that one. Swerte mo yung R2-D2.
My dad is gonna help me to check the R2-D2 hole. So, this is him. So, this is like there, and this might be here.
And this is the stand.
Yes!
You just put it on top. Yan.
See? Now he's so like lasering me. Now, ano na yung ano na natin?
Mandalorian series.
Mandalorian series. See? You don't need to check it. That's why.
Ito. Uy mo to.
So, now we got I don't know his name.
Bo-Katan.
We got Bo-Katan. Right. This is her.
With the dark saber.
Parang naman ito baby.
Hindi dumoble kay dito. Yes. Looks like Deadpool sword.
And then this is the sword.
Siyete. Hindi pa siya
Okay, put it. Ay, knock them off. Wait, wait. I just leaving them. Okay. Bro.
That is
Bro. Asuka. So this is the last one, okay? Last pack of Star Wars. Kala ko wala, guys. Kala ko wala na dito yung ano, yung toy. Dito pa pala, di ko alam.
Hindi ko alam. That's the lightsaber of Ahsoka. It's a white saber. I put it.
Pabay mo na ganito. Bite mo na ganito pa. Bay mo na ganito.
I'm just testing it. Because usually it again.
Okay. So this is the land. It's the land. And this is the stand. So I cannot. Oh. So guys, now it's time for kiss.
Anya.
Wrong side. It's time for this.
Anya. Si Anya.
Anya. We're gonna crying Anya because she's scary. We gotta try Anya. See?
First time.
Right. First time now. She got an invisible stand. It look like he's not standing. Wait. Guys. Huh? Pag
Okay, other one.
na-testing ko lang ko kung pag wala siyang stand kung
With the back. Sitting Anya.
sitting Anya.
With the bear.
Like this.
Yes.
Like this.
You show it to them. You show the card to them.
Now guys, it look like me. I'm sitting like this. So this is him. So we don't need a stand.
You
This
still
is
need,
her.
you still have a stand.
Yeah. Still have a stand. So saan yung stand magpunta? Ah!
Sit lang siya.
Small B.
Ayan.
Bye guys!